what you will tell me, Laita? Tell me na lang, what na?
Kailan? Hala. Hala.
It's a hard song. Mahirapan ako.
Kaya
sa
mo.
sa...
Sabado.
That's the way to do it. But I can't wait for the big night. Sing dito ang top 6 pa niya.
Gusto ko yung kanta.
Oo. Gusto ko rin. Kaya huwag mga gawin. Joke lang.
Narito ang lapit mo yung ano. Yan, tingnan ko kung may... Hindi! Tingnan ko kung may sakit ka.
Okay lang po, wala.
Kaya.
Positive. Positive. The secret.
Nandiyan pa ako, ma'am. Paano po yan? Wala nang...
Ano?
Maganda na binabasa kong book, The Shop. Pwede ba magpasok ng libro rito?
Pwede po.
Direct Joey.
Direct Joey.
So, walang cycling.
Dictionary.
S-H-A-C.
So, the shot. C-H-A-C.
Correct.
The Shop. Shop.
S-H.
S-H-A-C-K.
Sabi din, puro falsetto po ako.
Di basta ano mo lang na hindi boring. Ano yung kanta mo na?
Whenever you come to enjoy
Sa babaan lang yan, Kay.
Ano yun? No, The Shop is there was a father who brought his 3 children camping. Then on the last day of the camping thing, 2 of his children met an accident. Nagtumaob yung kano. Tumakbo siya to save. Iwan yung little girl na pagbalik niya, nawala na yung bata. Nagkagulo yung bulkan. They found out. There's a serial killer who kidnapped his 8-year-old, no, it's not, 8-year-old daughter. So they looked for the girl. They found the dress of the girl, the little girl, in that shack full of blood. And they never found the girl anymore. So his daughter was killed. So he had such hatred for the world. And he used to be a religious person. One day, after so many years, nakakuha siya ng sulat. We haven't talked for so long. Let's spend a weekend together in this shack. It's signed Papa. And that is the word that is given. That's the name of his wife for God. His wife calls God Papa. Sabi, ano to? What's this? But then he couldn't help it. He goes to the shack. And then he meets God. Kausap na si God.
Open the gate for him. Open the doors for him. Sabihin mo na, ligawan mo na ako. Ikaw na lang hinihintay ko. Nandito ako. Pero kailangan ligawan mo na ako. Ligawan mo na ako. Times 10, Lizelle. Ka nang mahiya, leche.
Hindi mo muna yan, sir. Hindi ko lang
Hindi, huwag ka na mahiya. Buksan mo na yung pinto for this guy. Buksan mo na. Ligawan mo na ako. Akitin mo na. Akitin mo na. Kasi ito na yung lalaking gusto mong pakasalan. Ito na yun. Ito na yung lalaking alam mong tatanggapin ka ng buong ng walang pakundangan. Ito na yun. Wala nakuhang negative dito sa lalaking to. Yun nga lang, torpe siya. Pero kung meron lalaking gusto mo na, ito na yun. Kaso torpe.
Practice lang ba tayo?
Sige. Huwag mo kantayin, alam mo na ito.